Removing a payment method from WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is deleted from the app. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to payments. In the settings menu, find and tap on payments. This section contains all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select payment method. You will see a list of your linked payment methods. Tap on the payment method you wish to remove. Step 5. Remove payment method. Look for an option that says remove or delete and confirm your choice. This will unlink the selected payment method from your WhatsApp account. By following these steps, you can easily remove any payment method associated with your WhatsApp account. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app's help section.